Hello. I'm Mike Farrell. A few years ago I created the Constructor's Friend series of low-cost construction e-tools, intended for use by professionals as order of magnitude, estimating, planning, progress tracking, and manpower resourcing control mechanisms, easily operable on any type of personal electronic device. E-tools are not intended to compete with the sophisticated project control systems operated by most major construction organizations, but rather to complement them, particularly during the early and closing stages of a project's life cycle. To date, except during the peak period of COVID, most of the 50-plus tools on offer have regularly been acquired by people worldwide, either individually or, most cost-effectively, via purchase of my publication, Industrial Construction, a handbook. Applications of e-tools vary widely, some being quite complex, but many are simple calculators that can easily first be created by any Excel user as worksheets, and then converted for use in the cloud by the creator, or colleagues. In this short video, I explain the process by which such construction e-tools can be created, plus examples for anyone to try. As I mentioned earlier, every e-tool starts off as an Excel spreadsheet. For simplicity's sake I will use e-tool 6, ballpark estimating of concrete mix quantities, as an example because it is a straightforward, no bells and whistles calculator, similar to many provided on company web pages, where you enter variable information and receive a bottom line result. The spreadsheet invites user to enter a total basic concrete quantity, along with unit cost rates, and automatically calculates approximate quantities of cement etc. that will be required, along with total costs thereof. User can also change ratios to reflect a stronger or weaker concrete requirement, depending on its purpose. Having set up such a spreadsheet, the creator can of course simply continue using it personally as and when required, and/or give copies in Excel format to colleagues. But not everyone has Excel software at their disposal, and that is where conversion to an e-tool, available to all in the cloud, can be so useful. For this purpose, a company named Spreadsheet Converter can provide the necessary add-on software, as seen at the top of this page. To proceed, one clicks on Spreadsheet Converter, then Convert, and a web page tryout version comes up on screen. A total concrete figure etc. can be entered and results appear. If satisfied with the result, one then returns to the spreadsheet and clicks on Publish to Cloud, followed by Upload and Get Production link. As a result, a multiple choice of how to access and use the e-tool appears, or an option to embed it in a web page, or to scan in a code for use on the phone. Job done. The short link URL for this particular e-tool follows, together with a couple more that most Excel users could create themselves. Real-time sync, seen at the bottom of each e-tool sheet, can be used to share calculations with invited colleagues, and/or to create working files and archives. It is important to note, also, that once created or acquired, an e-tool can be used indefinitely in the cloud.